Hi Bess, welcome back to my channel. So today I have to do another unboxing of BoxyCharm. This is the August subscription box. So if this is your first time in my video, please do subscribe and then hit that bell button so the next time I upload you get notified. I know there was two colors and I guess I got the light one. This is what it looks like. Oof. Keep me close to keep me cool. You read that? That's cute, huh? Get it like that. And there's a pop-up. Oh! Whoa! Now that's a lot. Is it supposed to go out that way? Probably not. Yeah. Okay. Oh, why the hell? Oh, I thought my brush was wet. Wow, it feels like water. How is this setting my eye? Let me go closer. No color. And it feels so light. And it feels wet. Like you're putting water on your eye. Wow. And I can see it from like the mirror. But my face looks so good. Wow. Wow. I love how this feels. Oh, I got two eyeshadows, this one and this one. They look like the eyeshadows, same eyeshadows as the Super Shock Color Pop eyeshadows. So this is from Ace Beauty, Glimmer Shadow Ice Latte, and the other one is Glimmer Shadow Cotton Candy. I want to use both of them. So I already just put a brown on the sides, the outer V, and we're gonna put I think I'm gonna put the ice latte in like the middle, like the third part, and then the rest will be the cotton candy. Okay, let me do that right now. Oh, you know what, let me try and oh, it's so soft and look. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, that does look like a cotton candy. Look. So this is the that I said? So this is the ice latte and this is a cotton candy. The ice latte in camera kind of looks like orange. Even on my hand, kind of looks like orange, but let's see what's the color of it like on my eyelid. Because I mean, it says ice latte, right? So it should be like somewhere like a light or a little brown. You know what? I'm gonna try and put more concealer. Okay, so I decided to put more concealer, and while it's a little wet, we're gonna try and put the rest of it. So I'm gonna start with the ice latte. You know, I think since this is like soft, I think it'll be better to put it with the finger. Might be more furrowed. Yeah. Oh my god. I really hate using my finger because I get to go and do it and put it everywhere. But yes, it's better to use your finger. If you're really precise on using that, use that. If not, work with your brush. Okay, that's done. Which is the cotton candy. And I'm gonna pat it. And I might use a finger. So the pink looks like it's mixed with like a gold glitters. Okay, moment of truth for the mascara. Let's see how this one will do good. Oh, I mean, if this one will actually really do good. So, you already know your girl. As always, I've been saying all the time, your girl doesn't have a lot of eyelashes. Not a long one either. So, this is gonna be good. I mean, we're gonna see if what they're claiming will actually happen. Alright, so this is the Big Ego from Tarte. And oh, it has the same style as the, that looks dry. It has the same look in the brush with, what's it called? The Lash Paradise L'Oreal. I guess it helped. But I don't know. Maybe the one I got is kind of dry, or this is really like a little dry formula. Let's try it again. Second coat. So I'm just gonna do one eye, and then I'll do the other eye to finish out, because it takes, you know, it takes a while when I do my mascara, just because I don't have that much and they're not long. So this is kind of hard to use at the bottom. Okay, does it look like there's a difference? Yeah, I can see the difference. Alright, let me do the other one. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, I guess it did a little bit of lift. Okay, so now, for the very last item, it's gonna be a lip liner from Steve Laurent. I don't know this brand, but I'm gonna look it up, and maybe I can put like the, well, it has a price on the other one. Let's see. According to the card, Steve Laurent lip liner is $15. Wow, this is an expensive lip liner, but I like the color of it. Oh, did I break that, or that's actually like that? Oh my god. Let's see. You know what? I'm kind of disappointed with the mascara. It feels like it's a little dry. Okay, some of the stuff went inside, and here's what it looks like. I need to sharpen it. Okay, so for the review, the oil one, the very first one that I used, it's actually, it feels like it's like a water moisturizer with a little bit of oil. It was pink, and I thought it was gonna be like a very, very oily based, you know, and like hydrating. So the lipid that I'm wearing is actually from a drugstore too, so it looks awesome. It looks perfect together. And okay, that the glimmer eyeshadow is, you can, I don't know if you can really see, but that's the pink one, and then like the purple, the brownish orange coppery one in the middle. I guess it's okay. I don't know how long it's gonna hold up, but I will update you guys maybe in the description box. So yeah, that's it for the August BoxyCharm box. I hope you guys like it, and I you know, I already know some of the stuff that was coming, so the next future BoxyCharm or BoxyLocks, I will do like sneak peek videos again, so we can see what's, you know, what's confirmed and what's not, and what they're thinking of going in the box for the next month. Thank you so much, Best, for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Anyways, I'll see you again. Bye bye, Best. Babush.